The Indian startup community has not been enthused by debt funding, but traditions are apparently meant to be broken. CNBC TV 18's Adit Charlie and Prashant Nair find out why more and more startups are lining up for a dash of debt financing.
The cautious approach adopted by most equity investors has compelled startups to explore new avenues of funding. And hence, entrepreneurs are now warming up to the idea of raising debt capital from companies that provide working capital loans. And the poster boys of the Indian startup world are welcoming this change.
I would suggest to every startup, if possible, they should do a debt round because it's a cheaper form of capital if your business financials can allow you to take debt.
The biggest advantage? Debt funding allows startups to raise money with little or no equity dilution. Just like bank loans, venture debt has to be paid back in 2 to 3 years. And though interest rates are on the higher side between 15 and 19%, it's not being seen as a deterrent.
That also indicates how the investment maturity in the country is happening. It's a pretty new phenomenon, more like in the last 1.5 to 2 years or so. And primary reason for that is that when a company is running and doing operations, there are many other things the company may not want to support from the equity capital that the company raises. Maybe some kind of buying out of some asset, or maybe some kind of an acquisition, merger. Those kind of things are generally sort of best avoided.
Also remember, there's an overall slowdown in venture capital funding, and that has fueled the surge in debt funding deals that have been struck in the last 12 months. Whether it's the $100 million in debt raised by InMobi from US-based Tenenbaum Capital Partners, or the $3 million raised by fashion retailer Woink from Innovent Capital, or the $1.8 million backed by B2B marketplace Industry Buying from Trifecta. More are on the anvil, and the next big one could be debt raised by hotel aggregator Oyo Rooms and rentals platform Rentomojo. With Adit Charlie in Bengaluru, in Mumbai, this is Prashant Nair.